Hey guys, and welcome back to Gadget Guide channel. Today's videos show some top 5 best mini PCs in 2023 are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits and price. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put a list of the best mini PCs from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive research, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you are curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 5. Beelink GK35 Pro Mini PC. Low power consumption and stable running speed CPU. The Beelink GK35 Pro Mini PC is powered by Intel processor J4105 for C/4T, for M-Cache, 1.5 GHz up to 2.5 GHz, with faster processing performance than both J4025 and J3455. 14 nanometers process and 10W TDP design make it more energy saving and stable, suitable greatly for business, office, home entertainment, HTPC, streaming video, web browsing. 4K dual screen display and wireless supports. The Beelink Mini desktop computer is equipped with ultra-high definition GPU, dual HDMI, can connect 2 monitors at the same time, and perform different tasks on the dual screens, making your work more efficient. 802.11b/g/n/ac, built-in BT 4.0, 2.4 plus 5G Wi-Fi 5 and 1000 m LAN with stronger resisting disturbance, and more stable wireless signal. Storage expansion and quieter working environment. The Beelink Micro PC with high-speed 8GB, 2400 mHz, DDR4, built-in 128GB SSD read speed up to 500 MB per second. You can expand the storage with M.2 SATA SSD 2242 and upgrade storage to 2 TB, not included. Low noise heat sink fan design means more efficient heat dissipation, providing a cooler and quieter working environment for the computer. More interfaces and additional function. The Beelink Mini computer is equipped with 2x HDMI, 1x Gigabit Ethernet, 4x USB 3.0, 1x audio jack, HP and mic, 1x DC jack, easily meets office business needs, home audio and video needs. The GK35 Pro GK35 Mini PC supports Wake on LAN, PXE boot, RTC Wake, and Auto Power On. Get into BIOS interface settings. Number 4. AWOW Mini PC. Powerful processor Intel Celeron N3350, up to 2.4 GHz, comes with Windows 10 Pro pre-installed, and support Ubuntu and Linux as well. This mini PC can run office, design, entertainment and education etc. applications very smoothly. It's a great mini desktop computer for multitasking, home theater, office working, operating room, digital security and surveillance, digital signage, media center, conference room etc. Heartsuit large capacity. New technology of 6GB mini computer on board increases the memory frequency and low power consumption. With 64GB eMMC for system storage, and it can expand with a 128GB TF card or 2TB mobile hard disk box via USB 3.0 interface. Also, you can also expand the storage with a SATA slot, M.2/SATA_2280, up to 1 TB. Small but powerful mini PC is for efficient multitasking and is also a good gift for you. Heartsuit support 4K at 30Hz. Intel UHD graphics 500 supports 4K at 30Hz using HDMI, HDMI 1.4, easy to enjoy web surfing and 4K video playback, or connect to your projector as a home theater, enjoy a variety of entertainment. Work and play your way virtually anywhere. Mini desktop computer with 4 output display ports, 2 USB 2.0 port, 2 USB 3.0 port. High-definition video playback to meet your optimum feelings, smart fits for living room TVs. Heartsuit BT 4.2 and 2.4G per 5.0G WFA 802.11b/g/n/ac 5.0G plus 2.4G dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth BT 4.2, model, Intel 7265, very convenient to connect other device to the mini computer PC. With 3.5mm earphone combo with microphone, the mini PC will give you an auditory feast. Dual-band Wi-Fi design, faster and more stable. It supports Auto Power On, RTC, 7/24 running. Support up to 2 displays using HDMI and VGA, dual displays, more productivity. Number 3. HIGOLEPC Mini PC. Fanless Mini PC Portable HIGOLEPC PC Mini Computer about 5.59 by 3.58 x 0.75 inch, can be used without mouse and keyboard, and built-in battery can use about 5 hours. You can control any other laptop via remote desktop protocol from the microcomputer if you are outside office, study or control for smart home systems. Goal 1 Pro Mini PC is a good choice. Windows 11 pre-installed. The Mini PC pre-installed with the newest Windows 11 Pro and a valid license, which is support to remote desktop access. It has TPM 2.0 hardware and supports Windows 11 Pro upgrade. Supports Windows 10, mini computer, support IoT building, ideal for developers and programmers running dual custom OS. Celeron J4125 processor. The small mini PC equipped with faster J4125 processor with CPU/GPU throttling. It's a competent quad-core fanless mini PC that does a decent job at business, family and entertainment daily tasks. Its base operating frequency 2.0 GHz per second to 2.7 GHz, 4 MB cache, draws under 10 watts of power. Metal body helps to expel heat quickly and completely silent, no noise, can improve efficiency. Goal 1 Pro is a mini PC that will never become outdated. Wi-Fi 6.0 and Bluetooth 5.2. The newest Wi-Fi 6.0 mini PC, with dual-band Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 5.0 GHz, can reach 1,300 megabits per second that provide double newly faster internet experience. Gigabit Ethernet supports 10/100/1000 Mbps, Bluetooth 5.2 fast data transfer speed up to 2 megabits per second. For web surfing, news reading, text editing, emailing provides a different surfing experience. Number 2. WEIDIAN Fanless Mini PC. Excellent performance plus fanless design mini PC powered by a 2.7 GHz quad-core Celeron J4125 processor and UHD graphics 600 for graphics. Pre-installed with Windows 10 Pro, 64-bit, OS makes work more convenient. Fanless design ensures complete noiselessness and maintenance-free operation. A faster CPU can meet your various needs such as work, internet surfing, home study. Dual-band Wi-Fi plus dual RJ45 Gigabit Ethernet mini desktop PC supports 2.4G plus 5G dual-band Wi-Fi, and this office PC supports Bluetooth 4.0, 2x USB 3.0, 2x USB 2.0, 2x RJ45 Gigabit Ethernet port, 2x RS232 COM port, 1x 3.5mm earphone jack which can be connected to your multimedia devices, mouse, acoustics or headset. 4K HD dual screen display plus auto power on mini PC equipped with HDMI and VGA output support dual display. Auto power on, BIOS setting. In the meantime, 4K HD for visually home entertainment, HTPC, perfect for home office, light games, digital security and surveillance, digital signage, media center, conference room etc. Storage expansion plus wall-mounted design expandable up to 2 TB via 2.5-inch SATA HDD/SSD drive, not included. Size of only 5.35 by 4.96 by 1.69 inch, 26 ounces. The Visa mount can free yourself from the messy desktop. It is convenient to hide the mini desktop PC on the back of the monitor or HDTV. Package content plus warranty. 1x fanless mini PC, 1x mounting bracket, 1x HDMI cable, 1x power adapter, 1x instruction manual. We offers lifetime technical support and 36-month satisfaction service. Please feel free to contact us if any issues happened. Number 1. MSI Pro DP20ZA Mini PC. The same performance as a big rig but in an only 2.6L chassis so you can take it anywhere. IT is indispensable to have a stable and efficient power for you and your business. The latest AMD Ryzen 5000 series socket AM4 processors deliver the ultimate in high performance. Whether you are crunching scientific data or designing your business logo, you are always in the lead. Pro DP20Z series supporting 4K at 60 Hz allows you to enjoy the best experience of watching movie with your family or attending online conference call while working from home or learning professional tasks at home. Featuring the latest Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax with Bluetooth 5.2 version and speed up to 2.4 gigabits per second, which is 3x times faster than the Ethernet LAN. The latency is also 75% lower than the previous generation. With Wi-Fi 6 technology, the connectivity to the world will be unlimited, with data transfer speeds up to 10 gigabits per second. 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A and 1 Type C ports offer twice the bandwidth of the older USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports, effectively having any data delay or waiting time. The reversible Type-C connector allows for effortless connecting of USB devices. Users can easily upgrade to M.2 SSD, two 2.5-inch HDD/SSD and two SODIMM by disassembling the side covers. Made Pro DP20Z series an even flexible desktop and also reduce the time wasting on upgrading. Visa mountable design allows users to hook Pro DP20Z series up anywhere you like or mount it with Pro MP242 series. Not only improve the flexibility of using Pro DP20Z series, but also let users make good use of their space at home or at office. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and don't forget to comment below. Check out the description and first comment to find the product links. Thank you so much for visiting my Gadget Guide channel.